Day 142. It's raining so bad outside. Well, it was raining. It's kind of snow now. It's like bleh-ish weather. We're still gonna go out though. It's gonna be a sick day. We'll just probably do a couple runs, then take off. And then the next couple days, we'll try and hit the park hard. Just spend time with Shadow really quick. I'm gonna change, get ready, get out of here, and go shred. Big time, right. Good catch. I love you, but you can't come. I'm sorry. Boy, I'll see you later. Sorry the posting has been kind of less lately. Since we've hit the 130 days, when my wife asked me to spend time with her, I mean, even when I was doing the 130 days, when she asked me to spend time with her, I've been making sure that, like, she comes over the vlog. I love you guys to death, and, like, your support's fantastic, but, like, my wife is my wife, so I've been trying to make sure I give her a lot of quality time, because she did take a big step back and let me do that 130-day challenge, which was fantastic and super fun, and if you guys want to watch it, do so. I mean, we're still counting. We're at day 142 right here. I'm sorry, guys. I know once the summer picks up and we're like in the full swing of summer, it'll be a lot easier to get these videos out every day. So just stay tuned, guys. Sorry about the slow posting, but we're still making content. It's not going to stop, so. And now it's time to shred.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow.
The parking attendant let me park for free today. Normally they let you, like the last week of Breck has always been free parking, but I guess they're not doing that this year, which is kind of lame. So I was like, played dumb. I was like, hey, like, is there not free parking this week? And he was like, nah, man, there's still like 2 o'clock. And it's like 1:30 right now. He's like, don't worry, I got you. And I was like, man, you're the man. I feel like if you like play, like, if you know what you're talking about, but you're kind of playing dumb, you usually like get the hookup. That's like pro tip of the day, at least up here with all the local like employees. So like, know what you're talking about, but kind of play dumb, and you usually get the hookup. But man, what a nice guy.
Now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Go on, just do what you do.
New on his money because he's in Philly.
pain seems to follow, like a shadow dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed. Let me
What's up, dude?
What's your name?
TJ. I met you. I was a ticket scanner. I think he's
All right, and this is
Desmond.
Desmond. Nice
Big
to meet
D.
you.
I work on the Gold Runner coaster over there.
Heck yeah, there's some roller coasters.
Fuck
You guys
yeah.
want to take some laps?
Yeah, let's do it, dude. No Ben today?
No, Ben.
Now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules.
Yeah, you got that.
Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it
That's sick.
hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you.
You okay?
Let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you.
Made it. So sick.
Let me bleed. Let me bleed. Let me.
It was sick shredding, guys. So much
It's an
fun.
honor, man.
You guys rock. Keep going.
Appreciate you.
Keep
Thank you
evolving.
for helping us.
Yeah, keep evolving. Those guys work at Breck. I used to work at Breck too, so hooked them up with a little free training. Taught them how to do some 180s, some butters, and hit the boxes because they were hitting the boxes. I was like, guys, you can totally do this, and they were killing it. So that was super fun. Now it's time to go home. I love days like this where like I didn't have low expectations, but I didn't expect it to be this awesome and to shred with those guys. It was a blast. So days like this where like you're expecting this but you get this, they're so much better. So that was a killer day at Breck. The weather was but still like that's why I had like this kind of expectation, but I got this. So that was fantastic. You too. You know it's sticker shout out time. We got, oh my god, it's Ashton 1234 or 124 rocking on the helmet, looking sick. Thanks for supporting the channel, man. That looks so awesome. Remember guys, if you want to get an Evolution sticker, we have black, white, and the board sticker. as well as the What a Nice Guy sticker. All those links in the description down below. Thanks to everyone who's bought them this year. We've sold so many. We've done so many sticker shout outs. I think we've done like 130 sticker shout outs. That's crazy. Remember to tag me at Johnathan Buckhouse on Instagram if you have a sticker and you haven't sent it to me yet. That way we can give you a sticker shout out. Guys, today was super sick. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you really liked it, give it a share. That's awesome. Helps out the channel a bunch. Tell me you guys are still sharing. Also, hit that subscribe button to see just super fun, more snowboarding crazy videos. They're going to be a blast. So keep hitting that subscribe button. Also, turn the notification bell on so you can get the videos whenever they show up. That way you're not missing any of them. Also, guys, if you missed day 141, I'm going to throw it up over there. Check it out. That was a great day. That was closing day at Keystone. We were doing front flips, we were doing back flips, we were doing spins. It was crazy. That was such a fun day. We had a mob. It was almost like the fan shred day, so check that day out if you missed it. 4 more days of Breck left. Hopefully we make them out to all of them. Remember, I'm just trying to make sure I give my wife some quality time, opposed to videos every day, only videos, because I love my wife. So thanks to everyone that still supports, and we're about to get into the summer. We're gonna have paintball, skateboarding, all kinds of crazy fun stuff. I'm trying to line up a ton of fun things this summer, so stay tuned, guys. And as always, thanks for watching, keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.